Hello, I'm Angela Schmidtke, a special education teacher at the Burnsville Transition Program in Burnsville, Minnesota. My class consists of 8 students with a range of mild to profound developmental disabilities, ages 18 to 21, working on their high school diploma. Today, we're going to be exploring the Project Discovery Adapted Grocery Clerking Kit. I've been using Project Discovery for 4 years, and it has made such a difference with my students in helping them learn about their career interests and gain job skills. First, we start with the pre-test. I administer this using whole group instruction. We use the score report form to record their answers. This gives me a baseline for monitoring progress. Then we watch the First Look PowerPoint, which introduces the key vocabulary terms and concepts of the KIT activities. Today we'll watch Activity 1 in the First Look. There are a lot of great worksheets to support instruction for the module. I like to use them to continue teaching vocabulary. Now we're ready to start using the student instructions to complete the KIT activities. The student instructions are provided in several ways for different levels of learners. First, I model and demonstrate the instructions by using the PowerPoint. Next, I show the group the video modeling of the activity. Video modeling is provided for each adapted activity, so students can see exactly what to do.
Materials you need from the kit: paper grocery bags, plastic baggies, tissues.
Next, I'll lead the students through the visual schedule, which is an exact printout of what they saw in the video. They will watch as I do the activity. Now it's time for students to do the activity. They use the visual schedule to complete the activity. In the Grocery Clerking Activity 1, we'll learn about bagging groceries. It may take more than once for a student to move toward mastery. For my class, I typically have 2 other stations of activities going on as students perform the tasks. There are so many activities in the module, and we like to do the bingo game and make a dictionary. As the student performs the activity, I use the data sheet to document the level of performance. This sheet provides several levels of prompts with a point system attached. This student was able to do the activity with only an auditory prompt. We'll continue instructional support of this activity by using the excellent worksheets provided. We continue this process through all the activities. Once we've finished, we complete the post-test, as we did the pre-test. While I don't always use every step as I've outlined today, the Project Discovery Adapted Curriculum includes so many great resources to draw from for each class's particular needs. My students have learned so much from Project Discovery. It's fun and engaging, and they can't wait to work with the kids. They will have job-related skills to take into the community.
Ethy, do you think Project Discovery is amazing?
Yes.
Say, it's amazing.
It's amazing.
Do you want to give a thumbs up? All right. What do you think of Project Discovery?
Probably Sata.
It's awesome?
Yeah.
All right. Good job, Arjante.
Yeah.
High five.
Real smooth.
You know it. Now you're looking at the screen.